Hi, my name is Alicia Love, and you can call me Alicia. I'm from Central Pennsylvania. I have worked as a group facilitation specialist for transitions of PA, a domestic violence, sexual assault, and comprehensive crime agency for almost 12 years. I facilitate groups throughout the community and in the safe houses. I also see clients individually, assist with hotline coverage, visitations, legal advocacy, and on-call participation. I have also volunteered with the State Correctional Institution at Muncie for 11 years facilitating a grief group. I enjoy working out, reading, traveling, being outdoors, and spending time with my family. I decided at this point in my life to pursue a master's degree in social work because I'm recently divorced. My ex-husband never supported me, and I've always wanted to go into social work. I am fascinated by the disconnection of the brain and the body related to trauma. I enjoy meeting everyone. Have a good evening.